Hi, now we are going to look at some online magazines. Well, basically the idea is the same that you have for online newspapers, with the difference that there are many more online magazines than only exist on the internet that do not have a paper version. And we are looking at this site, which is called ISSUU. ISSUU is a well-known editor, online editor. Actually, you can also publish here your own documents, but that's a matter for another of these videos. And when you access ISSUU, basically you have a lot of documents and a lot of online magazines on the most different and, well, any kind of topic that you can think of. You can probably find a magazine here. You can see that there are fashion, photo, travel, computers, animals, so there is a lot of information that you can come here and see. So let's for instance look at this Homeworks magazine about home furnishing and home styling. Now what we have here is something that is also called as an ebook, which is something that is the electronic version of a book, or in this case of a magazine. We have like a normal magazine, we have a cover, and then we click here and we can pass. It's like opening our magazine, and we can just move on and see the pages of our magazine. If this is too small, basically we just have to click here and we have zoom information about our magazine. And we can also, like with the online newspapers, we can share it, so we can tell our friends about a certain magazine that we liked a lot. ISSUU also provides us with other related magazines or documents with same topic, in this case home furnishing or home styling. You can see there are a lot of magazines about this subject. So we can also say that we want to follow this magazine, so whenever the editor publishes a new edition, then we can just receive an information that the new number is available. So, but because there are so many numbers, so many different magazines, the easiest way to find something that we want to look for is to search for it. For instance, I'm going to look for something that is related with senior citizens. And here we have a newsletter here, we have a resource guide, and we have, for instance, one magazine related with senior citizens. And we can open and watch this magazine. We have also a proposal from ISSUU about other magazines that cover the same topics, in this case senior citizens, like Senior Living or Senior Times, Mature Living, so there is a lot of information for senior citizens. We can also, when we look for something, I'm going for instance look for internet, because we have magazines published in different languages. We can select which languages we want to find our magazines. Otherwise we can find magazines in each of these languages which we can understand or not. So I can just say, okay, I just want to have magazines in English. Okay, and here is all the information about internet. For instance, we have a book on internet marketing, we have a magazine on internet marketing, and so on. So ISSUU is a very good place to start looking for online magazines. If you want to read something, you just select the magazine that you want to read, and then you can open it and read the news that you can find inside. And remember that you can always do a zoom and look closer to this journal.